What I'm going to show you today is how to put a new Milanese strap on an old watch. So this is an old Ben Sherman watch. It's quite a nice design, not excessively valuable, but it's got a good look to it and it deserves another life. Now the old strap is gone, it's hard, it's brittle, so that needs to be replaced. So I'm going to take the strap off first, and then I'll show you how to put the new strap on. Okay, for this watch, normally you can get a little tool in here and ping the spring clips back, but in this case the actual original strap is on really tight, so I've just had to undo the first bit of leather. Again, this bar here, it's in there so tight it's not going to come out, so what I'm actually going to do is just force that clip off, just by putting the release tool in, bending it and taking it out that way. Right, the next thing we need to do is just to measure what we call the lug width. So that's the distance between the lugs. So if I take the calipers out, that's a 20mm width. You can use a ruler. Calipers, if you've got them, are better. So I need to find a 20mm band to put in there. Right, if I just measure the lug width here, you'll see this one's coming up 20mm. It does tend to come out ever such slightly, little bit less than 20mm, whereas when you're measuring the lug width here, it tends to be a little bit over. Obviously, you just need to make sure that you can actually get the strap in. So those are 20mm, so that one's going to fit. What I do like about this type of strap is the actual spring clip is captive. So quite often when you're used to, if they're free, if you put them in, you don't get them quite in right, and it flicks out, the actual spring clip pings out, and then you're playing on the spring clip. What it's got is a little lever here, which you can put a tool in, or you can do it with your finger quite happily, that you can press down on, and that's releasing the spring. So to put it in, it is as simple as get one end in, hold it where it needs to go, press that lever down, move the spring clip in, and then just move it around till it finds the hole, and then that's it, captive. That's it, I've done the other side as well, and it's really transformed the watch now. So it's got quite a new contemporary look to it, and it's giving a new life to an old watch. So very simple to do, very worthwhile. As always, thank you for watching, and hit the like and subscribe. Thank you.